In today's video, I'm going to teach you Asana Team Management. How to use Asana as a team, 5 minutes. Let's get you set up and working together smoothly from the very first login. Start by opening your browser and going to Asana's login page. Enter your work email address, click Continue, then type your password and select Login. Make sure you're using a secure password and avoid sharing credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your Asana home. This is your hub for recent projects, your tasks, and notifications, and it's a great jumping off point for team collaboration. To manage work as a group, begin by creating a team. Use a clear name and a short description so everyone understands the purpose, like a department or cross-functional initiative. This will give your projects a shared space and keep related work neatly organized. Next, invite your teammates. Add the people who need to collaborate and set appropriate access permissions. Decide whether the team should be private or visible across your organization, and make sure members have the level of access they need to contribute without exposing sensitive work. Before you build projects, align on a few standards. Define naming conventions for projects, a consistent way to write task titles, and how you'll communicate. For example, agree that updates and decisions happen in task comments so context stays in one place rather than scattered across emails. Now organize the work into projects. Create a project for each initiative or workflow. Choose a layout that fits your team, then divide the project into sections or milestones. Use subtasks to capture smaller steps within a task so nothing is missed and ownership is crystal clear. Assign tasks to the right people. Each task should have one assignee responsible for moving it forward, while collaborators can be added for visibility or input. This keeps accountability straightforward and avoids duplicate efforts. Add deadlines to your tasks to keep everything on schedule. Due dates and times when needed help the team plan capacity and identify what needs attention today versus later in the week. Prioritize the work using labels, tags, or custom fields. Mark urgency or importance so teammates can filter and sort, tackling high-impact work first. Finally, keep everything up to date. Move tasks through sections as they progress, update statuses, and share brief feedback and comments. Attach relevant files or link documents so decisions and context are easy to find. Follow these steps and your team will stay aligned, accountable, and on track inside Asana. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.